Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find any games on the Google Play Store in LENOVO Tab M9. And to do this, first thing is to open our Google Play Store. Right here, when we try to find games like Call of Duty, it's not visible. I mean, it is visible, but if you click on it, nothing happens. And to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and head on to the settings. Then there's Family, Parental Controls. Here you can either disable parental controls entirely or go for Apps and Games. Insert your PIN code. Increase PG to at least 16. Save the settings afterwards. Now go back, look for your game again, and it's right here, we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.